Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to share and give permissions in Google Docs. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so sharing a Google Docs file allows other people to view, comment on, or even edit your document. You can invite specific people by email or create a shareable link with different permission levels. Now, the best way to do this is to go ahead and open up your Google Docs file that you want to share. Then from there, in the top right hand corner of the document, click on the share button. Now you're going to have the share pop-up window being open like so. Now go ahead and add people, groups, spaces, or even color the events. So I'm going to go ahead and add one of my other accounts. Then from here, we can choose their permissions, so we can change it from viewer, commentator, or editor. I just want to change this to viewer. We can put in a message and then basically go ahead and click send, and that's going to send that invitation to that person or people. Now, if you want to go ahead and change someone's permission, we can do that as well. So click on the share button, go ahead and find their name. As you can see, this is the one I just created. So we can change the permissions by clicking on the permission and then change it from editor, commentator, or viewer. We can also transfer ownership if you like, and you can also remove access.